Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Skul Mynken Christian HSS na ribhoi kan note ban mikmat yekari India hakasin ka baar jong ka ialehkai football Indo French Sha Paris ha France. Kani ka kinhon ringkat ukoch bat kin nongtrei jongka kin mi na Shillong hakasngi ublay ha gaba kani ka limpung kan sedang haka arf santurik ulber. Ka India kan mikmat da artali ki kinhon ka Mynken Christian berka kinhon ka bala job ya ka Subroto Mukherjee 2024 kata ka TG English School na Manipur. Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala pelong ya ka jingyalang pha ialehkai ka bakarpang ha kasngi sajjan hanong ba Shillong. Ha ka balaya shimbenta da ki dekot jong ka Meghalaya Football Association MFA Bad ki officer na ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Baro ki jinglut jingsem na ka benta ka ni ka kinhon on bay da ka Sorkar Meghalaya. U President ka MFA uba Hamletson Darling ula Airu Shilak Tyngka kum ka jingira pisa siya ka take school.
Welcome back, welcome back to our program. Thank you for all your help. We also welcome the Director.
Darling, President, Meghalaya Football Association. Thank you, leader, for this.
For having invested towards creating infrastructure that will allow such events to happen in Shillong.
The event happening back to France and on behalf of the district.
As she says, now it's up to the team to go to France to.
My name is
Garo.
I'll give you a confused Jim.
1, 2.
All the way to Paris to represent the country. It's a great, indeed, a big honor. And also, it's testimony to the hard work that has been put in by the state of Meghalaya towards the development of football. Last time Meghalaya won the Subroto Cup, as Bobby mentioned, was in 2019. At that time, it was part of our Goal 22 program, and Bobby himself was the coach of that team. And subsequently, he has mentored this team, and I personally was there for the finals. I managed to catch the match, and I must say I was tremendously proud to see the way the boys played, because we may not have won the tournament, but that match, which was between Meghalaya and Manipur, was a match fit for the highest level in India. Great moment for us to see them actually now be at the national level. They were boys who perhaps would have continued beyond 2019-20, but we released each and every one of them and sold them, transferred them to the big ISL clubs. I was sitting with Ivan Darling and watching the match. So he helped me identify young boys in that team who I was not aware of. And I asked him, so Ivan, what is your current take home in Kerala? You might not forgive me for this, but in football, salaries are transparent. We all know how much Messi gets, we all know how much Ronaldo gets. So why not know what Ivan Darling gets? 95 lakhs. 95 lakhs is his 1 year salary as of now. Next year it will cross 1 crore. And that is a top ISL player from Meghalaya, not yet the national team. Sana Khongsham is on an 8 crore contract for 5 years. Vishal Kate is above 2 crores per year. Mahesh Singh is above 2 crores per year. So just these 3 boys alone in the national team are on figures which are unbelievable. So what I want to say is that the dream is not only in Europe anymore. Yes, in Europe it's in millions of dollars, but the dream has reached India. And each and every one of you have this opportunity today. And let me tell you, these boys were close to nothing when they were training with us. But that is the reality of football today. So I wanted to share this with all of you, with the future of Meghalaya players, to know that there's a huge opportunity for us today. Because it's for the first time that the state, the associations, the district associations, and the football clubs are working in tandem towards taking Meghalaya football forward. Let's take this opportunity, work together, and further build on developing not only Meghalaya football, but developing Indian football forward. So with these words,
right from for all these 90 minutes, we have seen the skill, the technique, the tactic, and the spirit that you have. It is because of this quality that you have that we are getting this opportunity to participate in the Indo-French football tournament in Paris. So on this very day, I would prefer to take my advantage to congratulate Bambi, the owner of the Shillong Legend Football Club. It was a club that has produced maximum numbers of players, not only in the junior level, but also in the senior level. We have seen the contribution in the field of players in the state of Meghalaya. It is true, the hard work of the Shillong Legend Football Club, and we should not forget also our football coach, Bobby. So today, Mynken Christian School, we are very, very fortunate that the government of Meghalaya is organizing this set of program. And also, Meghalaya Football Association also is taking part on this very important program. Because we are very, very happy that we are getting this opportunity to play in the international level. We are here today to give you the best wishes to all of you, and we hope that the same spirit that you always have, that you will show up, you will play in all this international team, and we believe that you will beat all of this team and you will come up in flying colors. On behalf of the Meghalaya government, and also on behalf of the Meghalaya Football Association, I'd like to wish you all the very best. But a small advice from our side to you is that when you are there in the foreign country, the most important part is that you should have discipline. Discipline is very, very important. And please do obey the official who will bring you, especially the coach. People all over the world, they will watch you. People all over